I was going for, but now it's less of a safety hazard. It appears that I'm going the wrong way with this. Gonna have to get more creative than the tree and the chain. Okay, this side still looks atrocious, but it's better. It doesn't stick out as far, it's not as much of a hazard. I made this side worse. For now. So, undoubtedly, I guess you could say I made this side worse, and I made this side worse too. However, not gonna give up. I'm just gonna get crazy with some hammers and a floor jack, and I guess see what we can make this thing look like, or maybe a torch. I thought I'd make something move. Yeah, I definitely made this side worse. That's a big oof for me, dog. I don't think this thing really even needs to be. Weight reduction. Minty. Little self tappers. They're mint. We gotta reuse these screws later too. Not needed. I see more weight savings, I want to take them. Bendable. I definitely made it worse. With a little heat, a floor jack, and some pry bars, anything's possible. I don't know exactly where that's supposed to line up, but it's probably not right there. I don't think the chains and all that did any favors. This side though, this side's lining up real nice like. Now it's not a safety issue. Adjustable. Now it's in place. Do a test fit here. Now that's fit and finish right there, GM. Take some notes. That's where I gotta teach this guy everything. Daniel, come on. You know you're supposed to use license plate screws instead of these little dinky things. Honestly, I don't think this was even holding anything on, bro. Or at least if it was, I broke it off. It was probably hanging on to some of that stuff. So, weight savings. Oh, oops. Weight savings, bro. You missed out on those opportunities. But, I mean, all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, for like someone who's blind again. But I mean, if you feel it, if you don't have vision, it's probably better than it was. That no longer is a safety issue. This thing was sticking out way too far. So hell yeah.